mahilig mo kaon, mag-relax ug magkape, naay lugar para nimo diri sa Caffeine Corner sa West Ulbuhan, Garcia Hernandez. Tara sa Caffeine Corner, arisabohol sa Garcia Hernandez, suroy ta!
Sa Caffeine Corner sa West Ulbuhan sa lungsod sa Garcia Hernandez, Bohol, kuyuga imong pamilya, barkada o katropa. Tilawi ang lamian nila nga coffee nga puno sa aroma nga makarelax gyud sa hunahuna. Mas mulami pa gyud ang inyong bonding kay adunay mga sweets nga pagkaon nga siguradong imong balik-balikan. Sa affordable nga presyo, makapili ka klase-klase nga flavor sa coffee o mga baked pastries. Makadani ang blueberry cheesecake, Lotus Biscoff Cheesecake, Tiramisu Cake, Cheese Waffle, Oatmeal Cookies. Dili usab palupig ang lamian nga halo-halo supreme ug ang pinakalami nga pansit palabok sa Bohol.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting us in this beautiful place.
Thank you so much, then. I'm so happy Miss Bohol is here.
So I have few questions para
Sure.
nimo. I hope it's okay.
Of course, I'm very excited to share our story here all about.
So first of all, first question, unsa nimo pag-dive into coffee business?
Well, before Manggod Kai, I was a former OFW, and I worked in the UAE for 10 years.
10 years,
Then
wow.
I started my coffee industry career during 2015 when the specialty coffee industry in the UAE is booming. But before ko na introduce the specialty coffee and then into business, I was like, na-fall in love ko sa coffee during my experience sa UAE because wala man gud nagitudlo sa among studies sa school. I'm a graduate of hotel and restaurant management sa Baisu main campus. But wala mi taluyog barista. I don't know about barista because what we know is bartender, someone who makes mocktails, cocktails. But there's a barista, someone who makes coffee. So that's the difference between barista and bartender. But for me, since I accumulate two skills, I am a baristender. So I can make cocktails and I can make coffee. So that's what they call baristender.
Baristender.
Yeah, barista and bartender. So then 2015 and after that, pandemic hits 2018, 19 or 20. Then for good ko, I decided nga mulit na lang 2022. Then anak ko, I think boss, I need to go back home. Then I will try to open my own cafe since I have the experience already nga na-accumulate na ako for working for 10 years. So mo to ako gitry without thinking sa risky kay wala di ako akong puhunan. Then I'm a breadwinner sa family, so most of my years of working abroad is support ko sa akong mga siblings, sa akong parents. Then after that, akong drive lang good and then fashion nga, why not use your accumulated experience than working again from someone from 8 to 5.
So Caffeine Corner, pila na ka-years ang Caffeine Corner?
Caffeine Corner is already 3 years now.
3
We
years.
opened September 8, 2022. And then, thank God for 3 years nakasurvive sa mga bagyo aming lambay.
Yeah, wait lang, naghay bagyo. Karon, let's talk about your food. Unsay mga bestseller, treats or coffee?
Actually, we're known po diri sa Caffeine Corner sa among pastries. Kay kung anong nanon you have to try this tiramisu cake. Have a bite. Alam may cream. So, mo-blend lang siya na ipait-pait because of the espresso, and then narapig may alcohol, then the cocoa powder para naasad siya lasa nga chocolate.
Lami kayo.
Very rag yun, kanang may talag sara ko makabake. So every time mag-post ko ani naghag magpa-reserve na ako ra ni reserve doha para sa ato today.
Oh, lami kaayo, sir.
And then we have the cheesecake as well. Mostly Bass cheesecake, but I add it with Biscoff. Very
Biscoff.
popular,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
trendy. So everyone like look for, oh, you have Biscoff latte, Biscoff cheesecake, everything is Biscoff. So I always love pairing. So for example, if you have this, it would goes well with not too sweet nga mga coffee. For example, cafe americano, cafe latte, and then for someone into frappes, mga Gen Z, medyo Starbucks feels ang ilanganaan. We also have the frappuccinos here. So that's
And this
dirty
is the
matcha.
dirty
So you
matcha.
have to stir it para maano nimo ma-mix. So we use ceremonial grade matcha. I tried so many matcha ingredients, so very picky sad ko in terms of getting the ingredient. Okay, what I always look for is the quality ng good. One of the reason nga mobalik yun ang customer because of the quality of your products. And then after that, the experience, and then the service, and then the overall kanang may experience nila mga once they leave the door, mura bitaw mag-put og mark sa ilang mind nga mobalik yung kuan.
Mobalik yun ko ani. Kami kaayo.
We offer so many things here. Then we have also our waffle, and we have board games.
Yes,
We have
napoy
different
board
board games.
games.
That's also added value sa cafe. They have
Yeah.
something to do aside of waiting to order.
So aside from the sweet treats, naasad sila
You should,
palabok. For breakfast, naasad for snacks.
Yeah, that's what we want because this is a good pair for our halo-halo, but today wala
May halo-halo. So meaning, magbalik yun ko for halo-halo.
Our halo-halo is really, really wow. Lami, sabi mo na every time they come here like, sir, halo-halo sa region, wala.
Wala.
We cannot serve this every day. So, na yung mga customer yung mudong dire. Then, sir, na yung palabok, sorry, wala may palabok today. So, we decided to have it every Friday lang, Saturday and Sunday.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay, during the weekend. I told you.
Ano niya? So good.
This is only 100
100?
for this serving.
Guys, 100
It's really
for
good
this
sharing.
serving.
This is good for two. Yeah.
So let's invite all our Bohol-anons nga mo visit ani sa Caffeine Corner.
Yes, ari kamo sa Caffeine Corner diri sa Bohol sa GRACIA HERNANDEZ. We're located at Barangay West Ulbuhan. We offer this amazing and delicious pastries and food, and also of course our coffee from the barista myself. I'll be around to make and serve you coffee as much as possible. Kung wala pa yung mga events po and activities, I'll be here sa shop. Muunay good og serve ninyo og timpla sa inyong kape. So I hope you guys will come and visit us here. If you are along the eastern coast of Bohol,
Or visit Bisag Lagyo.
Bisag Lagyo mo, then you have to
It's worth it.
bring your friends here. We have a spacious space, relaxing view, and amazing environment. So, cheers everyone!
Ari sa Caffeine Corner, Ari sa GRACIA HERNANDEZ, Ari sa Bohol, suroy ta!
Ari na sa Garcia Hernandez sa Caffeine Corner, suroy ta!